Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Canva AI image generator. So before anything else, if you want to use this application or feature, you must upgrade your Canva into Pro. However, all you have to do to sign up in Canva is just link your email, or you can just basically create an account using your Google account. So once you're here, tap on create a design, click this plus icon right here and it will take you to the create a design here on Canva. So you can choose whatever you want, like layout or template. Let's just say if you want to post this on your Instagram account or your Facebook or your YouTube, you can go to create a design and then search for like YouTube. You can see the layout right there. Also for Instagram, you can choose from any of their layout right here, and for Facebook. But let's just say I will be posting this to my YouTube account or YouTube a media platform. So I'm going to search for YouTube right here and I'm going to follow the template or layout for YouTube. So here it is. So I'm going to click the YouTube ads design. I will not click for template. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We have here the blank page. So basically, you can just go to design and then search for the specific keyword that you want. But for this tutorial, we will be generating an image with the AI image generator. As you can see, if I go to elements and then search for AI image generator, nothing will pop up. It will just show you some pictures, graphics, or anything, but you cannot generate a picture here using your own prompt. Just idea, it will generate picture, but you need to really upgrade your plan in order for you to go to the application section and then look for the AI image generator there. You can create or you can generate an image, but it's just limited and not the same result as if you're going to use the application, which is the image AI generator here in Canva. So let's go to application, and then in the application section, you have to go to the search icon right here, and then you can search for AI image generator, or let's just say AI image gen. You will see different applications right here. So aside from generating pictures, applications in Canva also can generate video with the correct prompt, of course. As you can see, if I search for AI image generator, you can see this application right here. So let's look for the AI image generator, which is this one right here. And then basically, as you can see, you need to upgrade your plan into Pro, because if you're just using the basic, you cannot click the open button below. So I have my other account, which is I have upgraded my plan or my Canva into Pro. And then here I can open the application. As you can see, there's this open button right here. Click this one, tap this, and then for the prompt, if you don't know how to create a prompt, then I'm going to suggest to use ChatGPT or like Google Gemini AI. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use ChatGPT so that I can ask ChatGPT for the correct prompt that I can use for my Canva or AI image generator in Canva. So you can ask ChatGPT whatever you want here. So just make sure that you can ask for more, because sometimes what Canva generates is totally different also from what you have expected. So you have to make sure that you have a detailed prompt here from ChatGPT. Then you can copy and then paste it to your Canva. So as you can see, ChatGPT have generated some prompts that I can use for my Canva. And all I need to do is just basically copy. Okay, right click copy, go back to my Canva, AI image generator, paste the prompt right here. So you have two options here. You can click the create or surprise me. If you tap on the create section or button, then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and AI image generator in Canva will show you the result right away. However, like what I've mentioned earlier, if you are not satisfied with the result, then you can go back to ChatGPT and then ask again with the specific detail for your prompt, and then go back to your Canva AI image generator and then paste the prompt again. So just want to remind you that for AI image generator, you only have limited credits for that. So if you want to generate more, you need to upgrade your plan. Not just Pro, but you need to upgrade your plan to Plus in order for you to generate more pictures. So, however, again, if you're not satisfied, you can just basically copy, create again a prompt, and then paste it right here. Then you can choose surprise me if you want. So everything is up to you. Generate again. And then Canva or AI image generator will show you the result. Now, if you're not satisfied again, then you can go back to ChatGPT and then, create again another prompt and then paste, and then you have to generate again, and Canva will show you this. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use this AI image generator here in Canva. Again, you need to upgrade your Canva into Pro in order for you to open this application, and you can ask prompt from ChatGPT or Google Gemini AI for prompt, and all you have to do is to state specific word here, and ChatGPT will show you prompt. And again, all you have to do is to copy and then paste it here in AI image generator. So there are times that AI image generator is, like not functioning well. You have to reload your Canva or refresh in order for you to use it again. So aside from that, there are also other application here that we can use. Same thing, AI image generator. You can use other application that can generate AI image. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT or from any AI tool, and then it will show you the result right away, same as this one. Okay, so basically that's it. There are other image generator application here in Canva. You just have to scroll and then look for that. Also, AI video generator if you want. So here in other application, AI image gen, I can choose a ratio for that. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is generating image, and then you will see the result right here. Okay. So again, it's the same thing. If you're not satisfied, just generate another prompt again. If you want to change a keyword or any word from the prompt, just have to change that, paste it right here, and you will see the result. However, like what I mentioned earlier, your credits is just limited. So if you see this notification right here, you need to upgrade your Canva into Plus in order for you to generate more images. However, that's how easy it is to use Canva AI image generator. Again, just open. You need to be a pro. Your plan is pro, and then go to ChatGPT for prompt, paste it right here, and then generate the image. As easy as that. So I'd really hope that somehow you learned something from this tutorial, and that's how to use Canva AI image generator. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.